Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to configure screen sharing advanced options in Zoom. This is incredibly useful if you want to customize exactly how screen sharing works during your meetings, whether you're presenting to a team or collaborating with clients. Let's jump right in. First, open your Zoom app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, join a meeting. Now, look at the bottom toolbar where you'll see the Share Screen button. Right next to it, there's a small upward arrow. Click on that upward arrow to reveal additional sharing options. From the menu that appears, click on Share Settings. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen where you can start customizing your sharing experience. Look for the section labeled When Others Share. Here, you can adjust how Zoom behaves when someone else is presenting. You'll see options like Maintain Current Size or Enter into Full Screen. Choose whichever fits your workflow best. Next, navigate down to the section called When I Share. This is where you control your own sharing behavior. You'll need to decide whether you want to choose individual windows or share all windows from application. This setting determines how much flexibility you have when selecting what to share during a meeting. Now, scroll to the Share button Behavior section. Here, you can choose options such as Preview available content or Share entire desktop. This controls what happens immediately when you click the Share Screen button. Once you've made your selections, close the Share Screen settings. Next, click on the Advanced button. This is where you can really fine-tune your screen sharing experience. You'll see a drop-down menu that lets you select from various advanced options. Take a moment to customize these settings according to your needs. Once you're done, the settings will automatically save so you don't need to worry about manually confirming anything. Now, click the upward arrow next to Share Screen again. This time, select Host Tools for Share from the menu. In the right panel, navigate to the section that says how many participants can share at the same time. Use the drop-down menu to choose your preferred option. This is particularly helpful if you're running collaborative sessions where multiple people need to present. After you've selected your option, close the Share Screen settings. Again, everything will save automatically. And that's it. You've successfully configured your Zoom screen sharing advanced options to match your specific needs. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.